Hi there, welcome to the new video of our series Excel tutorial for beginners on Mentor Edge. Today we are focusing on the style group under Home tab. This group helps to make your worksheet not only more attractive but also easier to read and understand. We will go step by step through its three main features: conditional formatting, format as table, and cell styles. So let's get started. Welcome back. Conditional formatting. Conditional formatting is one of the Excel's most powerful feature. It lets Excel automatically change the look of your data based on conditions and rules you set. For example, go to conditional formatting, click the drop down arrow, hover from highlight cell rules to greater than and type any value and click OK. It will change the look of your data and highlights greater than values. Explore and practice below mentioned options yourself. Top bottom rules. Go to conditional formatting, click the drop down arrow, hover over from top bottom rules to top 10 items. You can change values also. Click OK. It will change the look of your data and highlights top 10 values. Explore and practice below mentioned options yourself. Visual formatting options. Excel also gives you data bars. These add mini bar charts inside your cells so you can see which value are larger or smaller at a glance. Go to conditional formatting, click the drop down arrow, hover over from data bar to gradients or solid fill. That's it. Now you can visualize at a glance which value is greater or smaller. You also have color scale, which apply gradients color to show higher versus lower values. Go to conditional formatting, click the drop down arrow, hover over from color scale and apply color gradients to a range of values. The color indicates where each value falls within the range. This feature takes a boring range of data and instantly converts it into a neat structured table with built-in formatting and extra tools. The last option in the conditional formatting is icon set. Go to conditional formatting, click drop down arrow, hover over from icon sets and apply choosing a set of icons to represent the value in the selected cell. Here is how. Select your data range, click format as table, choose a style and confirm whether your database has headers. What happens? Excel applies alternating rows color, making your data easier to read. Filter and sort buttons automatically appears at the top. The table expands automatically when you add more data at the bottom or sides. So format as table is not just about style, it actually adds functionality that makes the data management faster. Cell styles. Finally, let's look at cell styles. Think of cell styles as pre-made formatting templates. Instead of manually changing font size, color, and borders every time, you can apply a ready-made style in just one click. So the style group has three important tools: conditional formatting, highlight data based on rules like greater than, duplicates, or trends; format as table, instantly organize data into table with filtering, sorting, and automatic expansion; cell styles, apply ready-made or custom styles to keep your workbook consistent and professional. These tools don't just make your sheet look better, they make your data more meaningful and easier to use. That's it for today's lesson on the style group in Excel. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit like, subscribe to Mentor Edge. Until then, keep learning, keep excelling with Mentor Group. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.